welcome to Handmade with Sean. Today we're going to look at some gems that I made. Unfortunately, I lost the video of me making these, so all I have left is the video of the demold. So what we'll do is we'll demold them here. Start with this guy here. Really love this mold. I got this mold off of Amazon. Like how it comes with the little tabs, so when you go to put it in, well, had some dripping, a little overflow, too much white in that one. Guess I pushed down too hard. You live and learn. That one turned out really nice. I like the way this one looks. Yeah, it's more light there. Let's check out this guy. Yeah, it's the same thing. Too much white. Went down too hard on it there. But, hey, practice makes perfect. Can't get them all right 100% of the time. This one turned out really nice. Other than some drips, that came down bottom, for the most part, it turned out really nice. I really like how the swirls look in these. Wow, look at that one. I think that one and that one so far are my favorites. I really like the way they turned out. I learned how to do this from watching Daniel Cooper on YouTube. He does a really good job showing you the technique and showing you how it's done. Like I said, so we got a couple messed up ones, but that's what happens. You can't always get them 100% each time. So, but yeah, this is just, when you're putting your star in, you push down too hard or you put too much white in the one area. It's a shame because these, from the back side, these look really nice. But unfortunately on the front side, you got the little mess up. But still a little wet here and there, but for the most part, they turned out pretty decent. I mean, to have 2 out of the 7 go bad, I think that's pretty good odds in my in my opinion. So like I said, this one and this one and this one here, this one's growing on me. I kind of like that one. It has a kind of fallish look, almost like leaves. This one has like an ocean look. So what we'll do is never give up. Just keep trying. I mean, you're going to have ones that mess up. I mean, that's a given. I mean, but don't let the ones that, mess up put you down and make you think you're no good at it. Everybody starts somewhere. So just keep pushing. Just keep pushing. Eventually you'll figure out what works for you and what doesn't work, and the right amount of ink compared to stuff. I mean, I guess in these ones I just used a little less white than I did in these ones. But like I said, you live and learn. Trial and error. Maybe the next time we'll get them all right. Maybe the next time they'll all be messed up. You never know until you demold. So, it's going to be a short little one today. I want to thank all my members. Please like, share, and follow. I want to thank all my members who have bought me a coffee. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. You guys help me get the stuff I need, and the comments, make me keep going forward to keep getting better and better. So, thank you, and see you for the next one. See ya.